Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Excel Tutorials. Today we will discuss how to maintain worksheets in Excel. In this short video, we will discuss how to create new worksheets and how to delete it and how to rename that worksheet and how to copy or move to another sheet and how to protect the sheet and how to color the sheet and how to hide the sheet and how to unhide the sheet and how to group the sheet and ungroup the sheets. This is Viru Vemula. You are watching my channel Excel Tutorials. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel to get more videos on Excel. Let's come to the topic. First, how to create new worksheet. In two ways we can create new worksheet here. So first, if you click on this plus icon, so the new sheet will be generated. Second way, right click on this and select insert option and select worksheet and click on OK. Then the new sheet will be generated. Second, how to delete this sheet. Right click on this and select delete option, and if you delete the option, the entire sheet will be deleted. Third one, how to rename it. Right click on this and click on rename and give name whatever you want and press enter. Then sheet name will be renamed. Next, how to protect the sheet. Right click on this and click on protect sheet and give whatever the password you want. And again, you want to give same password here. And to click on press here, it will be protected. So no one will be do changes anything in this sheet. So again, the same way, if you want to unhide means right click on this and click on unprotect. So first, whatever the password you want, it's the same password you have to give here. Please do remind, don't forget this password, so we cannot change anything here. Next one. So how to copy the sheet. The workbook we can copy in two ways. First thing, click on, press on Control key and click on, if you drag this one, the new sheet will be copied, the entire sheet will be copied to next sheet. And second way, click on right click and click on move or copy option. So here we can copy entire sheet wherever we want, we can give. So I will give move to end, click on create a copy and click on OK. Suppose if I want to move the entire sheet, then right click on it, move or copy. Suppose I want to move this file to here. So give OK. Then the entire sheet will be moved here. Same way. So suppose the same sheet to be moved to some other file. We can do that one also. Right click on it, select move or copy and select. So in which file we have to move this file. Suppose I want copy here. Want to copy the entire sheet here and there also. Then if you click on OK, then the new sheet will be moved to here. Next, change color. So we can give the color to these sheets also. Right click on it and go to tab color and select whatever the color you want. So if suppose I want to color all the sheets means, go to select all and right click on it and tab color, select whatever the color you want. The entire all sheets will be colored in same color. Next, if you want to hide this sheet means right click on it and select hide, then the sheet will be hided. If you want to unhide means right click on it and select unhide. The hidden sheets, all hidden sheets will be available here. So whatever the sheet we want, we can select and press OK. Then the sheet will be unhidden. Hope this video will helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel to get more videos on Excel. Thank you. Thank you very much.